Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing and review on my 35-piece full socket drive set. So I just got it in, so let's go ahead and take off all the plastic and see what it looks like. I had been reading up on this one, so I was kind of excited to get it. So let's see. Perfect. All right, and this is what it looks like right off the top. Well, one of the few things that I could say already is I like that everything's on here is super easy to read. Everything is labeled just the way it should. Scoot it up a little bit. Everything on here is very, very legible. Perfect. Things that I wanted to show. So once you have it on here, it's very, very easy to release it or put it on. It's got a button back here, so if you push it, because right here it's locked in, and if you push it, it comes right out. And then same thing for putting it in, and then the little lever here, right, to switch the direction on that. So everything just locks in place really, really well. So I do like that. I do have something that I do need to tighten up. We got like a dog cage that we just got in, so I know I wanted to test it out on that. But you could just tell they are like rust proof. They seem very, very durable as well. Everything looks really, really good on it, honestly. And like I said, the nice carrying case that it comes with. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out so you can see what it looks like when they're in action. Like I said, it's a total of 35 pieces, so just about everything that you need is on here, and all the other attachments to go along with it. But let's go ahead and try it out and see what it looks like. All right, so here's the dock cage that I was mentioning. So what's cool is you can use either of these two attachments. What I liked about this one is if you're like in a situation where you kind of need it to curve, you can do that. I won't actually need that one. I'm just gonna go with this standard one here. So like I said, you just push it right here and then it locks in place. And then we'll go ahead and attach this one on here. And then literally just put it on where you need. It's that easy. So if you're looking for an awesome 35-piece tool set, I highly recommend this, and definitely a 10 out of 10.